Hey world, Valentinian here with a very special product, the latest thing I was worked on. No, it's not a board game, it's an organizer for a board game. The game is called King of Bards. It's a Bulgarian game available in the local language and in English. And I want to show you what kind of organizer I've made. Now, first thing to notice is how much space does it take? Well, it takes all the space. So let's get right to it. First thing I did is I found a way to fit in all those boards, which are 8 pieces, in a way that they take as little space as possible, so I have maximum more space for the organizer. So let's take these away and see what is underneath. I'm gonna be using one hand, so this is gonna be a bit tricky for me, but it shows also how good an organizer it is. And you can see right up here, there's something very special. There's a lot of boxes in different colors, and the reason is you have these characters with unique stories and colors, and I wanted to have each one housed in their own unique box, matching the color. So to create this unique experience when you have it in front of you. And this is not just storage boxes, these boxes are used for play as well. And this is going to be really fun to unravel. So let's start with the middle here, as we need to have a way to access the overall boxes. This first tray here is just for these extra tokens, which are not mandatory for play. They're just used to make the game simpler. Next is the tray for the money. Now the idea is here is you split these into two parts. You place them on both sides of the table, so it's easy access for each player. And now we come to the really meaty part. There are 8 of those boxes, each in different colors. And let's start with the green one. So here's how we take it out. I'm gonna place it right here. And so as I said, this is used for both storage and play. And it's a very satisfying thing to open this from right to left. There we go. So we have the character. We take it out. It's ready to go. And on the left side, on the right side here, we have all the cards. The organizer is made to be compatible with sleeves, which I've included here. And so you take these out, you shuffle them. There's like a sleeping policeman to make it easy to take them out. You have all your tokens for your fans. You have the starting resource ready, and you have the dice. Now the cool thing about the dice is when you fully open this, you have a special dice tray just for yourself. So it's easy to roll and it's quiet. And here we have an extra tray for cards. The idea is when you shuffle the cards, that's actually where you have your draw pile. And again, very easy to draw cards. And you have here the main player area where you see your character and you see the unique effect. So it's easy for you to see while you're playing. And if you don't want to hold the cards, when you start the game, you draw 6 cards. You can place them here, like that. All right, so that's pretty cool. You probably noticed, but there's only 5 slots here for cards. What are we gonna do? Oh, okay. Well, I've made an organizer for this expansion, and here's how it works. You just insert your finger over here, and you can reveal extra slots up to, well, double the number, which is 10. So there we go, the 6th slot is right up there. You don't have to use that, but it's a pretty cool and unique hidden solution. And yeah, that's what the organization of the individual board is. Of course, in the middle you have the main area, but the important thing is each player has its own play area, fully neatly organized. Everything has its place, and it's thematic, and it's really cool. And yeah, that's it. Took me 2 months to build, and the whole point was I asked a friend, give me one of your games, the one that has the most need of an organizer, and I made one for their birthday. And yeah, it took me 2 months, but it's pretty unique. You have all those really nice colors, so everything is neatly, tightly organized. And there we go. Thanks for watching.